Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MHLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 73 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 73, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 73 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance, going to just simply be where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at 87 cents. And then after 87, I'm going to squeeze down the chart here. So I realize the chart's getting hard to see here, but that's a good problem to have when you have to go back. Actually, 87, that makes perfect sense now. If you go way back here, you can see that exact area was where it got rejected from previously. So I'll just leave it at that, as that has now become a very, very apparent and key level of resistance. And then if the price can prove that it can get above that level and stay above it, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But yeah, as of right now, 87 cents. Public enemy number one going forward from the resistance standpoint. But big picture, yeah, great volume today. Great movement. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.